You need the medium. Yeah. For both dogs. Yeah.
The Ganaries need help with a home invasion of sorts, an invasion of fleas.
They're just so bad this year. I've never had them this bad before.
So they came to Jefferson Feed to plan their attack.
I've got 2 dogs and they're loaded. We've done the yard, but I guess we're gonna have to do it over again. They're just terrible.
Not only are the tiny insects annoying, but the Louisiana Department of Health warns there's a surge in the number of cases of flea-borne typhus. From 2010 to 2024, there were 21 cases, but just since last year, there have been 17 cases. And there's probably more because it's underdiagnosed and doesn't require reporting.
The fact that 2 people have died, and I think it really makes thinking about this diagnosis important, because we do have an antibiotic that can treat this infection, doxycycline.
LSU Health infectious disease physician Dr. Fred Lopez says there is a blood test for typhus, but you want to treat early on, before test results come back. The bacteria come from inhaling or getting the tiny flea feces in a scratch or the eyes, nose, or mouth. The symptoms are fever, headache, cough, nausea, vomiting, altered mental state, and sometimes a rash. The experts say if you really want to get rid of the fleas, you have to attack it from 3 different areas all at once. The pet, the outdoors, and the indoors, especially if you have carpeting.
Typically, when we have a mild winter, there's usually no break in the fleas, so we have had a lot of people come in. As it warms up, the egg starts hatching, and they're really uncomfortable to our pets.
At Jefferson Feed, more and more people are buying products to treat the yard. Foggers for the home, and those medicated drops that you put on the back of your dog or cat's necks to kill fleas. They told us granules for the yard are better than liquids during rainy times.
Fleas lay eggs, and the eggs are hard to control. So if you do it at 10-day intervals for 3 applications, you should break their life cycle.
With persistence and consistency, you might have a chance to get ahead of that life cycle. 2,000 eggs for each female flea in her short 3-month life. Meg Farris, WWL, Louisiana.
Well, so far, more of the typhus cases have been in southwest Louisiana, but it may be because they know to look for it.